Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a buttermilk. In typical Punjabi we call it Lassi. I'm going to make Lassi very tasty and very delicious. The kids are going to love it. It's going to be fruit Lassi. It's so easy and quick to make. During these hot summer days you feel like eating ice cream, and Lassi is the best alternate. Please try it and you're going to like it. Dahi, which is homemade, yogurt, we call it curd. How do I make dahi at home? Please watch my video. I have it posted on my channel. You can use many variety of foods. When it comes to Lassi and you want to make a cold Lassi, it's always advisable to use a frozen fruit. You can use organic mixed fruit. You can use strawberries if you want only strawberries. If your kids are fond of blackberries, use only blackberries or only mangoes. Try with the mangoes. So at this moment, I'm going to use mixed fruit. I'm going to place the mixed fruit, which is strawberries, pineapple, peach, mangoes, raspberries, blackberries, name it. It has all sort of food. And homemade dahi. If your kids are not fond of dahi, this is the perfect way to give them dahi, but in different form. They're going to like it. The fruit is frozen, but I'm still going to add some ice. 1 cup ice. This will be strictly optional. But when it comes to kids, they love sweet. So it's a good idea to add a sugar, like 1 big tablespoon. If you're health conscious and you don't like sugar too much, the frozen fruit is the best. So we're going to start it. It does not take that long. I'll open it. I have my glass ready. This is exactly like you go to the shop and you order the berry smoothies or any typical fruit smoothies. It's similar to that, but this is fruit lassi. And my camera woman is my lady. And this is the first glass for her. So please try it and you're all going to enjoy it during hot summer days. Perfect fruit lassi. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you. Bye-bye.